हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग क्लास 11 का चैप्टर 1 सेट्स करेंगे। सेट्स की कुछ वो बेसिक्स जिनमें हम प्रॉब्लम सम्स करते हैं, वेन डायग्राम कैसे बनाए जाते हैं, ठीक है, ऑपरेशन ऑन सेट्स किस तरीके से होता है, ये सब चीज़ें हम इनकी बेसिक्स को आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। ठीक है, तो उन बेसिक्स को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल बटन आइकन को पुश कर दें सो दैट मेरी न्यू वीडियोस आपको टाइम टू टाइम मिलती रहे। ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं। वेन डायग्राम। वेन डायग्राम में क्या होता है कि इन ए वेन डायग्राम द यूनिवर्सल सेट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय अ रेक्टेंगुलर रीजन एंड ए सेट इज रिप्रेजेंट बाय सर्कल ऑफ एन क्लोज्ड ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर इनसाइड द यूनिवर्सल सेट। तो बेसिकली ये जो हमने रेक्टेंगल बनाया, दिस इज यूनिवर्सल सेट। इसका यू मतलब ये डिनोट कर रहा है कि दिस इज यूनिवर्सल सेट, राइट। और इसके अंदर एक सर्कल बनाते हैं जिसको कि हम, जो हमारा सेट होता है, जैसे कि यहाँ पर ए सेट है, उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, इसी तरीके से अगर हमें इस यूनिवर्सल सेट के अंदर दो सेट बनाने हैं तो हम कुछ इस तरीके से बनाते हैं। डिपेंड करता है कि उनमें कुछ कॉमन है या नहीं है। तो ये हमारा ए सेट हो गया। अगर ए और बी में कोई भी एलिमेंट कॉमन है तो वो कुछ इस तरीके से बन जाता है। ठीक है, ये ए सेट हो गया और ये बी सेट हो गया। क्लियर? तो ये सब चीजें हम आगे डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। क्लियर? उसके बाद आता है ऑपरेशन ऑन सेट्स। ठीक है, विच इज बेस्ड ऑन वेन डायग्राम, राइट। यूनियन ऑफ सेट्स, यूनियन ऑफ टू सेट्स ए एंड बी डिनोटेड बाय ए यूनियन बी। ठीक है, जो कि मैं पिछले बेसिक्स में भी बता चुकी हूँ। इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट्स, मतलब ए और बी के अंदर जितने भी एलिमेंट्स होते हैं उनका सेट। ठीक है, बोथ इन ए एंड बी, विच इज ईदर इन ए और इन बी और बोथ इन ए एंड बी। ठीक है, दिस इज डिनोटेड बाय लाइक दिस, ए यूनियन बी that is equal to x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B, right? And we have to draw the Venn diagram of A union B, right? This rectangle denote the universal set. This is the set of A and this is the set of B. As A union B, ठीक है, this diagram show A union B, then we have to shade both A, B and A and B, means whole A and whole B and common part also, right. This is A union B. This is the diagram, Venn diagram of A union B. Now intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B denoted by A intersection B is the set of all elements which are common in both A and B, both common part of A and B, right? And it is denoted by like this, A intersection B is equal to set of X such that X belongs to A and X also belongs to B, right? Now we have draw a rectangle. This is known as universal set. Now we will draw two circles A and B. They intersect each other and their common part will be shaded for A intersection B. Their common part will be shaded. This part, this is A intersection B, right? Now next, disjoint sets. What is the meaning of disjoint sets? Disjoint sets means that A intersection B is equal to phi. It is always equal to phi. So Venn diagram of this set is, we will draw a rectangle which is known as universal set. Then we draw a circle which is set A. Then draw another circle which is set B. But they do not intersect, as A intersection B is equal to phi, right? Then laws of algebra of set. First law, A union phi is equal to A, right? A union phi is always equal to phi and A intersection phi is equal to phi, right? Then commutative law, A union B is always equal to B union A, and A intersection B is always equal to B intersection A. This is known as commutative law. Then associative law, A union B union C, that is equal to A union B union C. This is associative law. Or A union B A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C, right? Now distributive law over union, A intersection B union C, that is, open the bracket, then A intersection B union A intersection C, A intersection B union A intersection C. This is basic of algebra, right? Another, A union B intersection C, then A union B intersection A union C. Simple basics, right? Now अगर हमें इसका वेन डायग्राम बनाना है, A इंटरसेक्शन B यूनियन A इंटरसेक्शन C, ठीक है? तो देखो बहुत ही सिंपल चीज है, लाइक ग्राफ तो इस तरीके से बनेगा जो मैंने इसमें बना हुआ है, लेकिन इसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है किस तरीके से आया, राइट? लाइक दिस इज A एंड दिस इज B एंड दिस इज C. ये A है, इसको B ले लिया और इसको हमने C ले लिया, राइट? नाउ सबसे पहले हम A इंटरसेक्शन B, राइट? मीन्स A इंटरसेक्शन B कॉमन पार्ट ऑफ A एंड B, मतलब कि दिस वन इज द कॉमन पार्ट ऑफ A and B, right? Now A intersection C, A intersection C, common part of A and C, common part of A and C means this part, this one, ठीक है? Now we have to find A intersection B union C. This is A intersection B and this is A intersection C, both union. It means this all shaded part will included this full part. So this is the diagram of A intersection B union A intersection C, right? Next, if A is the subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A and A union B is equal to B. If A is the subset of B, like A is equal to set of 1 and B is equal to set of 1 and 2, then A is the subset of B as all the elements of A is in B, ठीक है? ये हम लेकर चले ऑलरेडी. देन A intersection B. अब नाउ A intersection B that is equal to common part of both 1, that is equal to A, and A union B that is equal to all the elements of A and B, that is 1 and 2. So this is equal to B, like this, right? Then there is difference of sets. For two sets A and B, the difference A minus B is the set of all elements of A which do not belong to B, right? Like A minus B, that is equal to X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. For Venn diagram, this is universal set. We have to draw first rectangle. Now this is set A and this is set B. Now we have to draw A minus B, the elements which are in A but not in B. So we will draw, we will shade this part only, this one, right? And the difference between B minus A is a set of all elements of B which do not belongs to A, right? B minus A is equal to set of X such that X belongs to B but X does not belongs to A. It means the part of B which does not include in A, that will be shaded. This part will be shaded, right? Now comes complement of set. If A is the set with U as universal set, then complement of set denoted by A complement or AC is the set of A complement is equal to U minus A. Like Venn diagram of this is the rectangle of universal set. A is any set. Now we draw A complement. It means the part which are in universal set but which does not include set A, right? So we will draw this part. This part will be shaded only. This part, right? Now properties of complements, complement law. A union A complement, that is equal to U. A intersection A complement, that is equal to phi. Right, like this is A, right? Now this is A and this is universal set, so this is A complement. This portion is known as A complement. Now A union A complement, it means this part and this part all are included, so this is equal to U. And A intersection A complement means what is common in A and A complement, nothing is common, so it will come phi. De Morgan's law, A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, must remember. And A intersection B complement, that is equal to A complement union B complement. De Morgan's law. Both in union and intersection, these are two points which we should remember always. Right? Now, law of double complementation. मतलब A double complement, that is equal to A. These are the some laws जिनको हमें हमेशा लर्न रखना है, ठीक है? लर्न होनी चाहिए ये, क्लियर? लाइक इस तरीके से ले सकते हो कि A is the set of 1 and 2, right? And U is the 1, 2, 3. This is. Then A complement, that is U minus A. It means this is set of 3. Now A complement, then complement. It means U minus A complement. U is the 1, 2, 3 and this is 2. तो क्या आ गया? 1 and 2 आ गया ना? And that is equal to A. इस तरीके से we can prove this, right? Next rule, complement of phi and U. Phi complement, that is equal to always U and U complement is equal to phi. If A is the subset of B, then B complement is subset of A complement. Remember this. These are the results. These are some results, right? Then application of set theory. In this topic, we will discuss some word problems related to our daily life, which are based on union and intersection of two sets. Before solving these type of problems, we should know the following formulas. if A and B are two finite sets, then A intersection B is equal to phi. A and B are disjoint sets. Like number of elements in A union B is equal to NA plus NB. Learn this. Another one, if A intersection B is not equal to phi, then number of elements in A union B, that is equal to NA plus NB minus A and A intersection B. Very important formulas, this one and this one. ठीक है, when A intersection B is equal to phi, it means they are disjoint sets. Then A union B is equal to NA plus NB. If A intersection B is not equal to phi, then NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. N means number of elements in this set, right? Another, if A and B are any two finite sets, then number of elements in A only, that is equal to, मतलब NA minus B is equal to NA minus NA intersection B, right? मतलब कुछ इस तरीके से ये NA minus B, number of elements in A but not in B. This is A, this is B, so means this part only, this part. ठीक है, this is intersection, so NA minus this. What problems है, हमें ये properties को use करना होता है, right? Then number of elements in B only, that is NB minus A is equal to NB minus NA intersection B, right? Another one, if A, B, C are three finite sets, then very important, NA union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NA intersection C plus NA intersection B intersection C. Very important. If A, B and C are mutually disjoint sets, then NA union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC. Meaning of mutually disjoint sets. Mutually disjoint sets means if and only if no two sets in the collection have any elements in common. In other words, we can say like A is equal to, just an example, 1, 2, B is equal to 3, 4, and C is equal to 5, 6. So they are mutually disjoint sets. किसी में भी कोई भी एलिमेंट कॉमन नहीं है, so they are known as mutually disjoint sets, right? Next, if A, B, C are three finite sets, then number of elements in A only, NA minus NA intersection B minus A intersection C plus NA intersection B intersection C. ठीक है, ये हमारे कुछ फॉर्मूलाज हैं जो कि आपको लर्न करने हैं. ठीक है, इनके बेस पर हमारी कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होते हैं. जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं सेट्स के अंदर, वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, उनको हम इन फॉर्मूले से, वेन डायग्राम से ही सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है, आशा है कि आप लोगों को ये अच्छे से समझ आ गए होंगे. ऑल द बेस्ट.